Here's the question.
In the bracket, 25 plus 15, bracket close, divided by, in the bracket, 8 minus 3, bracket close, multiplied by 5. We know that according to the PEMDAS rule,
P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now, first of all, we will solve the parentheses. Now, the solution. Here, if we solve the parentheses, 25 plus 15 becomes 40, and 8 minus 3 becomes 5. Now, divide. In the brackets, 8 minus 3 multiplied by 5. Now, let's solve further. 40 divided by 8 minus 3. So this becomes 8 minus 3, 5, times 5. Now, we need to check the order. The first priority is division. The second priority is multiplication, right? 40 divided by 5. Multiplying, and then 5 cancels with 5, right? 14 times 1 equals 2. Oh, okay, this is the right answer.